Alright, so we're at the end of the season here. We're harvesting some of the last pods off the tree, but what happens is there's a lot of crazy growth and branches that are coming right into the middle of where it jorquettes and where you'd want to be able to see in and harvest. So what we want to do is start pruning off all the branches that are growing inside the tree. And it cleans it all up, and then the growth is directed where we want it to. So any branches heading to the inside. And then you don't want anything coming down either. So that's already starting to look much better. You can see a lot more. You can see that one's coming down there. You want to be able to walk through the orchard without hitting your head on everything. So this is still young. These trees are maybe like 2 years old. And they're doing great, but they need a lot of attention right now in pruning, which they'll get very soon.